Hello my dear children, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to e-learning class. Now as we have finished cursive small letters, so what are we going to do today? Yes, we will write cursive small letters from A to Z. Whole alphabet we are going to write today. Yes, so get ready with your 4-line book, pencil, eraser and write along with me. Now in A to Z, which is the first letter? A, very good. But which letters we are going to write? Cursive small letters. Let's write cursive small a. Children, you have to touch this red line when you are writing in your 4-line book. Don't leave so much of gap and then start write. That is wrong method. See how Miss is writing here. Start writing after this red line only, that is margin line. Cursive small a. Start with curve. A. Write in blue line. A should not go out of the blue line. A. Now leave gap of 1 finger between each letter. See, I am writing on the board. So I will leave gap according to my board. But you are writing in your 4-line book. So you have to leave gap of 1 finger between each letter. Okay. So after A, which letter will come? B. So how we will write cursive small b? By making a loop and touch the top right line. This is B. Cursive small b. A, B. Next letter is C. Write C starting with curve and in the blue line. C. After C, the next letter is D. D. D we have to touch at the top right line. And the next is E. E we have to write in blue line. After E, the next letter is F. F. In letter F, we have to make loop at the top and at the down also. F. After F, the next letter I will write in the next line. Okay children, see here my line is over. And very important thing, in one line you have to write only 6 letters. Don't go on and finish all the letters in one line. Okay, you have to write 6 letters in one line. When you finish writing 6 letters, then you have to come to the next line and continue from the second line. Okay, now after F, which is the next letter? G. So write G near this red line. G. Touch the bottom red line. G. After G, which is the next letter? H. H you have to touch at the top red line and loop should be there at the top. After H, the next letter I. I we have to write in blue line and put dot on I. After I, the next letter J. Touch J at the bottom red line and make loop at the down. Put dot on the top of the J. After J, which is the next letter? K. Write K. Make loop in the K and touch the top red line. K. Then after, which is the next letter? Come on, tell me. Yes, T. Right? No. L. After K, the next letter is L. Make loop in the L and touch the top right line. L. Now see here my line is over and we also have finished the 6 letters in this second line. Now we will move ahead to the third line. Okay. So after L, the next letter is M. Which letter? Letter M. So M we have to write in the third line, and under the letter G only we have to write, and write from this red line only. Okay, M. M we have to write in blue line. Cursive small m. After M, the next letter is N. In the blue line only, write N, M, N. Next is O. Cursive small o. Start with curve. After O, which is the next letter? Q. Am I right? No. The next letter is P. After O, letter P we have to write. P. Then Q. Start with curve. Cursive small q. Touch the bottom red line. Then which letter will come next? R. Cursive small r in blue line. So now here also we have finished third line, and here we finished 6 letters in the third line. Now let's move further to the fourth line. So here we have to see where we finished till letter R. So after R, which letter will come? S. Very good children. S we will write in the fourth line under the letter M near the red line. Write cursive small s. Okay, this is cursive small s. After S, which letter will come? Yes, my dear children, you have to say now. Yes. T. T we will write under the letter N. Don't make loop in the T. Under the letter N, I have written T. Put dash on T and touch the top red line. After T, the next letter is U. Yes, which letter? U. U we have to write in blue line. Don't go out of the blue line. After U, which letter? X. I will write X over here. No, which letter? Yes, you all know. After U, which letter? V. Yes, we have to start from small slanting line, but we have to write in the blue line. This is cursive small v. Then the next letter is W. Cursive small w in the blue line. So, which letter now? The sixth letter will come in this line. X. Yes, in the blue line only we have to write X. Now see children, here my page is over. So I will take next page for other letters. But you write continuously, you are having many lines in your page. So Miss will take another page to continue cursive small letters. So in my previous page, but you are writing continuously on the same page, okay? So you will take the next line. In my previous page, we finished till letter cursive small x. So what will come after x? Y. Yes. So I will write y over here near this red line, cursive small y. Y we will touch at the bottom red line and we have to make loop at the down. Now after y, leave space and write the next letter Z. Z also we will touch the bottom red line and make loop at the down. So here we finished cursive small A to Z. Now children, very important instruction, as I told you in the beginning also, you have to leave gap of one finger between each letter. Now, if I find you are writing like this and making mess altogether, A, then B, then C, D, like this continuously on and on if you write, and then you make all the mess in 2-3 lines and you complete all the letters, that will not look good. You have to write neat and cleanly and leave gap of one finger between each letter. Okay children, write neatly with good handwriting. And one more important thing, you have to follow the line which you are not following. Yes children, observe the video properly how Miss is writing. In that same formation, in that same method you have to write. So what you have to do? Leave space of one finger between each letter and write 6 letters in one line. Don't write more than 6 letters in one line. Today we learned how to write cursive small letters from A to Z in 4-line book. You have to follow the school method how I have taught you right now. In the same way only in the homework you have to write in your 4-line book. Practice very well at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.